right, Super Bowl Sunday. What a great day for a ride. I gotta be a little careful because they still got snow and they've used lava rock to put down when the snow would help for traction. So I gotta be a little careful here, but this whole ride over Lions Trail has been perfect. This is the first spot where I gotta really watch my P's and Q's, so to speak, because of the road conditions. But coming up to 20 miles, getting up to here is just perfect. Just a great day. I've passed plenty of motorcycles going the other way, but I haven't had anyone in front of me or around me. That's been the perfect motorcycle ride. Just a great little ride. Oh, a little bit of lava rock there. Watch it, buddy. Just couldn't ask for a better day. And even most of the road's pretty clean here. You can see all the lava rock on the side. A little bit of snow left over. Beautiful day. God, I couldn't ask for a better. Just gotta watch it. Perfect road. Trying to stay in my lane. Come around the blind corner, you don't want to be in someone else's way. That's stupid. Even though you can cut corners, I try to stay in my lane. But man, this is just the perfect day. Whoa, you gotta admit that's gotta be nothing but fun. Whoa, yes sir. Mighty fine day.